Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be showing you how to replace a caliper on a B6 Passat. So if you're experiencing some of these symptoms, you might want to replace your caliper. So burning smell, your caliper is very hot to touch when you're finished driving, judder when you're coming off a motorway, you might want to think about replacing your caliper. Right, so we've got the caliper off now. It was a bit tough to get off because it's obviously seized. What we're going to do now is clean everything behind, and once we're ready to do that we will release the brake line and then transfer it over to the new caliper. But for now we don't want to waste any fluid, so we've just hung it up there and we've loosened the bolt so we're ready to go whenever, but at least it doesn't make a big mess. So we're just going to clean the back of the caliper here so that's easier to assemble and disassemble in the future.
Okay, the valve's closed. Put your foot down.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to loosen it now then.
Yeah.
Okay, it's loosened. No, I'll loosen a tiny bit more.
Oh, there.
Oh yeah, fuck, yeah, there's loads coming there.
Close it.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's closed. Okay, yeah, foot down. Okay, yeah, oh fuck, yeah, it's loose. Oh, loads is coming out. Okay, yeah, we'll keep doing that.
So guys, that's a wrap. I know, look at the time. Actually, what's the time? It's 5:30. I think we started at like 2 or 3. So it wasn't too long, but I think because the caliper seized on, it was a bit harder to get off. But that's complete now. Make sure to bleed your brakes afterwards and top up your brake fluid as needed. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, like that. Oh fuck. Oh, bend this yoke. Oh,
What a crack.
oh fuck.
Oh no, it's gonna kill you.
Oh shit.